Did you know that something simple, possibly sitting in your fridge, can transform your health and even lower your blood pressure in just a few hours? Yes, I'm talking about beetroot, a true natural medicine. Today, I'll share 7 incredible benefits of beetroot that can boost your health. And the best part? It's affordable. Stay until the end because I'll reveal something important about this superfood that even many doctors don't know. Also, let me know in the comments, do you like beets? What's your favorite way to consume them? What part of the world are you from? Let's get started. Benefit 1. Reduced blood pressure. Beetroot can help lower your blood pressure due to the nitrates, which turn into nitric oxide in your body. This compound dilates blood vessels, improving blood circulation. Studies show that drinking beetroot juice can reduce blood pressure within hours. For best results, consume beets raw or as juice, since cooking reduces nitrate levels. Have you tried using natural remedies for blood pressure? Let me know in the comments. Benefit 2. Improved physical performance. If you're into sports, beetroot can enhance your workout performance. Nitrates in beets make your mitochondria work more efficiently, resulting in more energy and less fatigue. Studies show athletes who drank beetroot juice could cycle up to 16% longer. This benefit applies to everyone, not just elite athletes. Try drinking beet juice 2 to 3 hours before exercise and see how it boosts your performance. Benefit 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. The vibrant red color of beets comes from a phytonutrient called betalain, which is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Consuming beet juice for just 2 weeks has been shown to reduce inflammation significantly. Beets also help control homocysteine, reducing heart disease risk by up to 70%. Incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like beets into your diet is key to a long and healthy life. Benefit 4. Digestive health. Beets are rich in fiber, helping to improve digestion, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut. Regular fiber consumption reduces the risk of colon cancer by 20% and helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes throughout the day. Benefit 5. Brain health. Beetroot improves blood and oxygen flow to the brain, which can help prevent cognitive decline and conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's. Studies show that regular beet juice consumption increases blood flow in the brain areas responsible for memory and thinking. Beets are also rich in folate, which is essential for brain health. Benefit 6. Increases your potency. Beetroot can act as a natural aphrodisiac by improving blood flow, including in areas related to sexual function. The Romans used beetroot for this very purpose. The nitrates in beets boost nitric oxide, which improves circulation and supports testosterone production. This effect is beneficial for both men and women and can enhance sexual performance. Benefit 7. Kidney protection. Beetroot can protect your kidneys, especially for those undergoing procedures like CT scans with contrast. The nitrates in beets help prevent contrast-induced nephropathy, a type of kidney damage. Patients who consumed beet juice before these procedures saw improved kidney function. Talk to your doctor about incorporating beet juice into your routine if you're facing medical tests involving contrast. How to prepare beetroot for maximum benefits. Raw. Eating raw beets or drinking beet juice preserves the nitrates. Juice. A quick way to consume nutrients. You can dilute beet juice with water or mix it with fruits like oranges or apples. Roasted or cooked. Roasting or cooking is a good alternative, though some nitrates are lost in the process. Beet chips. A healthy snack that retains many nutrients. Beet chips are a fun way to include beets in your diet. Watch out for these risks. Kidney stones. Beets are high in oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones. Medication interaction. If you take blood pressure medication, be cautious as beets also lower blood pressure. Red urine/feces. Don't worry if your urine or stools turn red after eating beets. It's harmless. What's your favorite way to prepare beets? Let me know. And if you found this helpful, share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can improve our health. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.